Maintaining your power tools is essential for ensuring their longevity and optimal performance. Regular maintenance is essential for maximizing the longevity and performance of Bosch power tools. By implementing simple yet effective maintenance practices, such as routine cleaning and lubrication, users can minimize wear and tear, prevent unexpected breakdowns, and ensure optimal functionality over the long term. Investing time and effort into proper maintenance not only extends the lifespan of power tools but also enhances their reliability, efficiency, and overall productivity, ultimately leading to superior results in woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. In woodworking, construction, and DIY projects, Bosch power tools have earned a reputation for their reliability, precision, and durability. However, like any mechanical equipment, regular maintenance is crucial to ensure their long-term performance and efficiency. Effective maintenance of power tools is paramount for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures their continued reliability and performance over time, minimizing the risk of unexpected breakdowns or malfunctions during critical tasks. Additionally, routine maintenance helps prevent premature wear and tear on essential components, preserving the tool's structural integrity and longevity. By investing time in maintenance activities, users can also optimize the efficiency and accuracy of their power tools, enhancing productivity and achieving superior results in their projects. In this video, we will show you one of the fundamental aspects of power tool maintenance, that is regular cleaning and lubricating of moving parts. Over time, dust, debris, and residues can accumulate within the tool's mechanisms, leading to friction, overheating, and decreased performance. To mitigate these issues, it's essential to clean your Bosch power tools after each use, removing any buildup of dirt or grime with a soft brush or cloth. Additionally, applying a suitable lubricant to bearings, gears, and other moving components can help reduce friction and practice into your routine. You can significantly extend the lifespan of your Bosch power to ensure smooth operation. By incorporating these simple yet effective maintenance tools and optimize their long-term performance. In Zero Your video today, we'll delve into the realm of Bosch power tools maintenance, offering valuable tips and insights to help you prolong the lifespan of your tools and optimize their functionality. From routine inspections to preventive maintenance tasks, we'll explore the importance of proper care for your power tools and provide practical advice to keep them operating at peak performance. These are some tips for power tool maintenance. First is the regular cleaning and inspection. A cleaning procedures for Bosch power tools. B. Importance of regular inspection. Second is the lubrication and oil changes. A. Types of lubricants suitable for Bosch power tools. B. Frequency and process of oil changes. Third is the proper storage practices. A. Tips for storing Bosch power tools to prevent damage. B. Importance of storing tools in a controlled environment. Fourth is the preventive maintenance schedule. A. Creating a maintenance schedule for Bosch power tools. B. Checklist for routine maintenance tasks. If you are seeing this video for the first time, do well to tap on the subscribe button to subscribe so that you can get new video notifications. If you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to visit us at gz-supplies.com or contact us on sales@gz-supplies.com. And don't forget to follow us on our social media handles on Instagram, GZ Industrial Supplies, and Facebook, GZ Industrial Supplies Nigeria.